Hello once again, everybody. Today, uh, okay. So today we are going to start with a topic called converting modulus into inequality. Now you know already that there is a connection between modulus function and inequalities. Okay. So now we are going to really understand in deep what is the method in which any modulus can be converted into inequality, and also the other way, if an inequality is given to you, how you will convert it into a modulus expression. Okay, so both the things you should know how to interconvert each other into each other. Okay, so now in this today's session we are going to start with converting modulus into inequality. Okay, this one. Okay, so for this, first you should understand that there are certain rules, okay, or certain definitions which you should be very much aware of. Okay, so that rules I'm going to first talk about, and then I'm going to teach you these three examples in which inequality and modulus, they are interconverted into one another. Okay, so in this today's video, perhaps I'm going to teach only the conversion of modulus into inequality, not the other way, right? So the rules are, or the definitions are, the very first one is this, rule number one. Modulus of x is equal to delta. Okay. Now modulus of x is equal to delta. This implies, or this means, okay. Now what is the meaning of this? Modulus of x is equal to delta. The meaning of this is whenever there's an equal to sign, it means that x is equal to either plus delta and x is equal to minus delta. That is the meaning of it. Okay. So this rule you should know very well. For example, modulus of x is equal to 5 is given to you. Okay. The meaning of this is this implies that x is equal to plus 5 and x is equal to minus 5. This is the meaning of it. Okay. Second rule is instead of x, you have an expression or a linear expression like x plus a. So if modulus of x plus a is equal to delta, then x plus a will be plus delta and x plus a is equal to minus a plus delta, or you can say a minus delta. Okay, so can you see that? No, minus a plus delta. Okay, so this is the meaning of x plus a. Modulus of x plus a is equal to delta. Okay, the meaning of this is just you have to, instead of x, you have to replace x plus a. So x plus a is equal to plus delta and x plus a is equal to minus delta. That is the meaning of it. Okay, let me write this properly. X plus a is equal to plus delta and let me choose yellow, and x plus a is equal to minus delta. This is the meaning of it. Now this in turn will mean that x is equal to minus a plus delta and x is equal to uh, plus delta. Okay, x is equal to minus a plus delta and x is equal to minus a minus delta. Okay, minus a minus delta. Okay, so this is that second rule. The third one is modulus of x minus a is equal to delta means what? Okay, so if you have modulus of x minus a is equal to delta, that means x minus a is equal to delta and x minus a is equal to minus delta. And when you rearrange it, you will get x is equal to a plus delta and x is equal to a minus delta. Okay, so this is the meaning of modulus of x minus a equal to delta. Okay, then the fourth rule is, so this was all about equal to sign. When there is equal to sign, in equality, modulus of x equal to delta means what? Modulus of x plus a equal to delta means what? And modulus of x minus a is equal to delta means what? I have discussed that so far. Okay. Now let us come to inequality. If modulus of x is equal to modulus of x is less than delta, if modulus of x is less than delta, what is the meaning of it? The meaning of this is x is between minus delta and delta, or you can say x is less than delta and x is greater than minus delta. This is the meaning. Okay. So modulus of x less than delta means that x is less than delta and x is greater than minus delta, or if you combine them both, you can say that x is in between minus delta and delta. Okay. Same way, if you have x minus a, modulus of x minus a less than delta, then that will mean x minus a, the whole thing between this modulus, inside this modulus sign, okay, between these two parallel lines, you have x minus a. So that whole thing x minus a will be less than delta, and the x minus a will be greater than minus delta. That is the meaning. Or combinedly, you can write this as x, is less than a plus delta, and x is greater than a minus delta. This is the meaning of it. Okay, so you have to remember these rules, because by observing this rule only, you are going to get the answers to these questions, right? And last one is modulus of x greater than delta. So if modulus of x is greater than delta, that means x will be greater than delta and x will be less than minus delta. Okay. Now instead of x, if you have x minus a an expression, so modulus of x minus a greater than delta will mean that x minus a is greater than delta and x minus a is less than minus delta. If you arrange this, you will get x greater than a plus delta and x less than a minus delta. Okay. Now one note I have given here, modulus of x plus a less than delta and modulus of x plus a greater than delta, okay, has different meaning. Okay, different meaning means that equality sign, that is where you have to pay attention. Okay, so it's not, you should not get confused between a modulus of x plus a less than delta and modulus of x minus a less than delta. Both are not the same. That is what I want to say. Okay, so modulus of x plus a less than delta and modulus of x plus a greater than delta, these both are totally two different things. Okay, so all I have discussed here. So with this as the background, all these rules that I have discussed, okay, let us come to this. Now the question here is of the form, like you can see here, write each of the inequality in the required modulus form. Okay, modulus form. Right. Now, actually, this question is like this: x is less than 10 and x greater than 2, or you can say x is between 2 and 10. This is the inequality given. This inequality is equivalent to modulus of x minus 6 less than 4. This is what is the statement is given here. Okay. So I want to make you understand this right hand side. Okay, that is modulus of x minus 6 less than 4. This, if you want to convert into inequality, how we will do that? Okay, so I'm starting. So these both are equivalent. Okay, this left hand side and right hand side are equivalent. Both are same. Okay, the meaning is same. But I'm trying to teach you how to convert this modulus expression into a one which is an inequality expression. Okay, so let us start from this. So first one I have written here, modulus of x minus 6 less than 4. So suppose we are given that modulus of x minus 6 is less than 4. So going by this particular rule, can you see this one? Rule number 3, right? X minus a, modulus of x minus a equal to delta. Now this is not this rule. We'll have to go by this rule. Okay, x minus a, modulus of x minus a less than delta, right? So going by this rule, x minus a less than delta, the meaning of this is x minus a is between delta and minus delta. So same way, modulus of x minus 6 less than 4 means this expression x minus 6 is between 4 and minus 4. Okay, so this is the way you write the inequality. Okay, now you can see that in this inequality there are three terms, 1, 2 and 3. Now if you add 4, okay, or rather if you add 4, or rather if you add 6, okay, if you add 6 to each and every term, okay, what will happen? The middle term will become x. See, in the middle you have x minus 6. So if you add 6 over here, it will become x. But then you will have to add 6 over here also. That is, you will have to add 6 to 4 also. So that will make it 10. and you have to add 6 here also. So 6 minus 4 will be 2. So you get x is between 2 and 10. Okay. So this and this both are equivalent. Okay. And that is what is stated over here. Okay. So don't you can twist this question. Don't take it as a conversion, but you can say that you have proved that this inequality on the left hand side is the same as this modulus expression, right? Now let's come to the second one. The second one will start from this side. Okay, so here is the second one I have written over here. Modulus of x minus 7 by 2 is less than 19 by 2. So this, let us decode it and bring it in the inequality form. So what we have to do, inside the modulus sign, whatever you have, okay, so what you have, x minus 7 by 2. So x minus 7 by 2, okay, will be between 19 by 2 and minus 19 by 2. So I have written here x minus 7 by 2 is less than 19 by 2 and x minus 7 by 2 is greater than minus 19 by 2. Okay, and if you combine them together, you can write this as minus 19 by 2 less than x minus 7 by 2 less than 19 by 2. This is the way of writing inequality. Okay, or you can read this way: x minus 7 by 2 is in between minus 19 by 2 and 19 by 2. Okay, any way you can interpret it. Now we want x, right? So in the middle you have x minus 7 by 2. So in the middle term, if you add 7 by 2, that minus 7 by 2 and plus 7 by 2 will kill each other and you will be left with only x, right? So, and here also there's a slight mistake. Minus 19 by 2 plus 7 by 2, but that sign was missing, right? Minus 19 by 2 plus 7 by 2. Okay. So this x minus 7 by 2 will become x when you add 7 by 2 to it. Okay, but then when you add 7 by 2 to this middle term, you will have to add here and here also. So when you add 19 by 2, 7 by 2 to 19 by 2, you will get 26 by 2. And when you add 7 by 2 to minus 19 by 2 here, you will get minus 12 by 2. So you get this statement: x is between minus 12 by 2 and 26 by 2. Now minus 12 by 2 is minus 6 and 26 by 2 is 13. So ultimately you can say that x is between minus 6 and 13. Okay. So these two statements are equivalent. Can you see? These two statements are equivalent. This one. Right? Okay. Let us come to the next one. Third one. Now third one says that it's written over here. Modulus of x minus 21 is greater than 36. Modulus of x minus 21 greater than 36. So here we are going to use the rule which is pertaining to greater than sign, that is this fifth one. So this is the one that we are going to use. Okay. So modulus of x minus 2 greater than delta means that x minus a will be greater than delta and x minus a will be less than minus delta. This is the meaning of it. Okay. And then we can isolate x in both the cases. So here we have to do this way. Modulus of x minus 21 greater than 36 means that x minus 21 will be greater than 36 and x minus 21 will be less than minus 36. Okay, this is the meaning of it. Now we will make as x the subject over here. So x will be greater than this minus 21, you can bring on this side. So it will become 36 plus 21. Okay. So x greater than 36 plus 21. And in this case, it will become x less than 21 minus 36. Okay. And this can be rewritten as x greater than 57. And this can be rewritten as x less than minus 15. So this statement A and this statement B are both equivalent. Okay. So that is what is written over here. The third one, x minus modulus of x minus 21 greater than 36. The meaning of this is x is less than minus 15. Can you see here? X less than minus 15 and x greater than 57. X greater than 57. So today you must have understood at least how to convert a modulus into inequality. In the next video, I will deal with the reverse of this. Okay, so suppose inequality is given to you, how to bring it in the form of modulus. Okay, so that we'll be doing in the next video. That's all for today.